it's me, Allegra. I thought I would hop on really quickly and do a PR haul unboxing 2023 and show you everything that I got this week. So let's just dive right in. First thing I'm going to show you guys, and I cannot wait. I opened the boxes, but I wanted to really dive into it with you guys. So I really didn't get into it that much, but I did open it and see. I just got this. Okay. I was like, wait, okay. No, this is the Iconic London Precision Duo Contour Brush. I got this from the Flip app. You guys, the Flip app is amazing. They send you free makeup, free skincare for just leaving reviews. It's amazing that I got this free from them. So look at this beautiful brush. Now I gotta try this out right now because they say that you can take this brush, see that angle, and you can do nose contour super easy. So let's try it out together. I've been wanting to try this for the longest time, but I wanted to buy this brush, but then I saw that I had points on Flip. Okay, so you just dip into your bronzer like so, and then you just run it down your nose, and supposedly it's gonna give you a nose contour. So hopefully, let's see. Did it work? Did it work, guys? I don't know. Maybe I don't know if that worked, guys. I don't know if that worked. Okay, let's try a different contour. Oh no. I don't know about this, you guys. I don't know if this was a good idea. Okay, what do you think? Oh, it's good. Okay, I used a deeper contour, and then I see you gotta kind of like blend it. You can't just stamp it on and call it a day. You really gotta blend it out. And then there has the other side, so you could blend out the sides. Oh, this is great, you guys. Oh my god, I love it. Yes, I just put a little powder, and then you use the other side of the brush and just buff it away. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, I just had to get used to it, but love it. What do you guys think? It's really good. Okay, let's get another package. Guys, look at this. Lottie London sent me all of these beautiful new lip balms that they came out with, and I think that they are flavored. There is coconut, there is mango sorbet, there is minted cherry kiss, and there is just juicy. So these are available at Walmart. So I love Lottie London. Do you guys tried Lottie London before? I love all of their products. So thank you so much, Lottie London. Okay, let me show you what else I got. Then guys, I got this bag from Merit Beauty, but it also is filled with the most, well, let's see what's inside. But I love Merit Beauty, so it's filled with goodies. So let me go check it out. So they sent their blending brush, which is, oh my god, it feels incredible. This is an award-winning brush, and their glass skin serum. So I'll be back and we'll play with these together. Stay tuned for part 2.